All right, everybody. Well, back for another video. One of the questions I get all the time is this: is ALSCO gonna buy Vestis? And there's a couple reasons why I think that's not gonna happen. Again, I could be wrong, but these are the reasons. I mean, you look at ALSCO just recently took over Macintosh. They recently took over Topper. And not to say they couldn't handle multiple things at once, but there's a lot that goes into purchasing a company, and you don't just get everything resolved a couple months after you purchase it. And then to go and take on Vestis after all of that, I mean, that is just would be a monster project. It would be the biggest company that they had ever attempted to acquire, let alone a public one at that. And then given number two, all the mess and the chaos that's going on with Vestis and all the lawsuits, I mean, do they even have the wherewithal to deal with that? And then thirdly, would be the character of ALSCO. Is it in ALSCO's character? You know, if you read their book, they've got a book out. It's called The Small Beginnings. I just recently got it. I'm a little bit through it right now. But one of the things they mentioned in that book is that it's difficult to find good companies to purchase. And so that would be one of the things that they're looking for, is like, hey, we're looking for good financials. We're looking for a good operation. We don't want to buy something that has a lot of baggage in it. And so that's what I think about that. I don't believe that ALSCO would be the one to buy Vestis, if anybody were to buy Vestis. So after that, I am going to do another video. I had planned to do another video today. Sorry, guys. But I just wasn't able to get to it. Something unexpected came up. And but I am going to be making another video, and this video is going to be entitled, Will UniFirst be purchasing Vestis? That's going to be an interesting one, because I got a couple of videos after that and a couple surprises for a couple of the companies. So anyways, hey guys, stay tuned. I can't wait to put the other video out. Most likely it's going to hit early next week. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll see you then. Bye.